Hi guys, so it sounds like we're having a lot of trouble figuring out how to download things on Canva, which is kind of surprising, but let's talk about it. So say that I decided to do my Tulsa Times project on Canva. So what I would do is I design it, get it done, everything, and the next thing I would do is hit this button, which is pointing down, which means download. Surprising, right? So I'm going to hit download, and it suggests a PDF. You can do PDF or JPEG. Just use the suggested download. And what it'll do is put it right here, and then it'll try to convince you to buy the print, which will be delivered to your door. You do not need to do that. You can exit out. It is right here. What I usually do with these is I put them on my desktop. You can also change the name of the file right here, or I could put Tulsa Times, and then I could put my name, and it would download it like that as well. And so after that, I would go to my Google Classroom. So this is my student one. So this is what you guys see. And I would go to my classwork. Or another smart thing you could do is, so it's due on Friday. So this is the assignment, the Outsiders Tulsa Times News Story Project. Everything else is just resources to help you finish. And what I'm going to do, since I didn't use this, I can exit out of that. I removed the template, and I can add or create a new document or a file. So since this wasn't created on Google, like Docs or anything, it's a file. So I'm going to browse for it. I know I have it on my desktop. And so I'm going to find it. And it's red and blue, simple email. That's what it was named. And I'm going to open it. And it is uploaded right here. And I can even check to make sure that we're good to go. Yep. And then I'm going to turn it in. And that's how it's done. Pretty simple. Okay. Make sure you're turning it in on Google Classroom in the correct assignment. Otherwise, it's going to say that it's not done. So say that I accidentally signed out of Canva and I have no clue where to go. I don't know where my design's in. If you click on home, it'll have your designs in your last thing that you made right here. It automatically saves everything. So you can't say, oh, I did it, but like it's gone. No, it saves every like 10 seconds. So make sure that you are looking. You can also hit all of your designs and it'll have your designs pop up. There's so many different things you can like do on this. Make sure that you are letting me know if you have issues, but make sure that you are being self-reliant as well. I've gotten hundreds of questions today and I'm more than happy to answer your questions. However, I also need you guys, like you are now in 7th grade, you can Google some things. You can read directions, you can watch my videos, and you can figure it out. I know this is hard. It's hard for me too, but let's do our best to do this together, okay? We can do this together and you guys can learn a lot from this experience and be more self-reliant. If you do have questions, don't be afraid to email me though. I'm here all day. Bye guys.